Hey, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy a house in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here with John Lester, the investor, where we're looking at this property that we actually bought it on Friday. This is Monday now, so I hadn't actually seen the property. I did just walk through it now, so I hadn't seen it, but I bought it. But John had seen it, and also Ariane, who she had spoke with the seller extensively about the condition. John had verified that, so we very often make offers without seeing the property. And I'm fine. I do trust I trust my team to look at that. So what are we working with here, John? Show me some of these properties.
We are working with, mostly it's just a little dated. It's got the old wood paneling on the walls in just about every room, vintage looking wallpaper in some of the back bedrooms. But the main thing that we were looking at is this room had some significant termite damage. You can see over here that a couple of the 2x4s are just completely eaten through. One of the rooms had it a little bit worse than this one. We had some leaks in the roof where some water came through. Just generally speaking, deferred maintenance. It's going to be a fairly easy little project, I think. We'll get it back on the market and get somebody in it pretty quickly, hopefully, or we'll sell it. Not quite sure yet, but we're here. We're going to figure it out today.
Cool. So yeah, guys, we buy a house in any condition. So if you have a house like this that you don't want to fix up, the seller had lived here 13 years, she was ready to move on, and she just didn't want to fix it up, so she reached out to us. We're able to make an offer that worked for her, all cash as is. So it was a really easy closing. So if you have a property like this or a rental, let us know. We're buying all over Greater New Orleans, Baton Rouge, Lafayette, and also just into the Mississippi near the Louisiana border. So cool, reach out to us, Home Buyer Louisiana. Thank you.